Hello, welcome to my Sunday Fromp. Today we have a small haul, so I'm going to get right into it. This package, I'm not quite sure what's in here. So, here I have these Canela Crisps. These are cookies that I've been wanting. It's kind of rare to find these cookies, but they're just regular cinnamon cookies. I'm going to try not to make a mess. I just want to taste it. The first one broke. They're kind of broken. I'll just leave them. But I have here my supplements. These are pine bark extract gummies for circulatory health. Let's see. It says pine bark, circulatory health, vegan. How many does it say to take? It says 2 gummies. 2 gummies per day. But let's try it. Nope, they taste the same, just like gummy bears. They have like a little bit of orange flavor. But like I said, the other ones had just as much potency as this. So I went ahead and bought this one because it was like $5 cheaper. And also the fact that it was a gummy was easier to, you know, for intake and digestion. I figured, you know, why not just do things the easy way? These two are closed, obviously. So the first one I bought, it says it's a size small, and it's just a summer dress, a spaghetti strap dress. It's just plain black. You can see it has adjustments in the back, metal adjustments. They're kind of cute. They're in the color pewter. It's just a regular mini dress, I guess. It looks like a mini dress. It's really thick cotton, so I think it's gonna be perfect for summer, because like it doesn't feel like, you know, like some of the summer dresses are too thin for me, and some of them are like just like kind of extravagant, like, and I'm just hanging out, and when I'm just hanging out, I just don't want to be bothered, you know, just wear whatever. And that's why I buy these plain looking clothes, because I'm just hanging out. I'm not doing nothing fancy. So like, this is another one of those dresses that I've been buying with the fleece in the inside. You can see it, and it has like a cool neckline. Like, I love the fact that it's like a neckline that's kind of medium size, not too small. And this one says it's size medium, but I don't know. I don't think I bought medium, but I mean, I'll take it. Like, it's cute. The bottom is round, but you know, it's kind of tight, but that's how I like my clothes to fit me. So so far I like this package. So far so good. But the next one's here. I think the next one's groceries as well. Yep. So here I have these, they're called flat bottom taco shells. They're flat on the bottom. Ooh, they sound crunched up. Let me see how they came. I don't think they survived. Let's see if they survived. They don't sound like it. Wow. Oh, they're little. No, most of them survived. But they're so cute. Oh my gosh. I thought they were bigger. I actually thought they were like at least half of this tray. But they're not. They're like really tiny. They're like literally the size of a tiny taco. But it's cool. This back. I bought this soap. It's supposed to be yogurt and honey. It's vanilla and honey. So it's got like ingredients that are good for you. It smells good. It smells like yogurt. So this is supposed to be good for you, for your skin, like collagen. So that's why I bought this. This is my kitchen hand wash. This is gonna be my kitchen hand wash. And then I bought this Parmesan. I wanted to try that Millionaire pasta. You know, the pasta bake. So I bought it. And then I bought this diced tomatoes with lime juice and cilantro rotel. The next box is also groceries. I got this Mexican style chicken tortilla soup. It's Campbell's Home Style. So it looks pretty good. It has chicken and beans and tomatoes and rice and like a bunch of spices. Of course, I got this can of chili and it doesn't have beans in it. And then I just bought another hand soap for the restroom, but it's like just like the same one I always buy, which is aloe vera scent. Here I bought another chicken bouillon. So this was $2. I was surprised, but it's $2. And it's kind of tiny. So, oh, but this one's imported. So I don't know. That's all I found that was kind of affordable. It only has 6 in there, but it's fine. This is vegetarian refried beans. These are Rosarita. So I wanted some refried beans. I didn't want to make my own. So I just went ahead and bought these because they were like $1 and something. What is this? Oh, I think this is jewelry. Let's see. Yeah. So this is jewelry. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty. This is a really nice set. And I'm happy with this purchase because, like, look how pretty it turned out to be. So I got another case. The same thing I got last week. Lemon. And I think I got, oh no, this is a different one. This one's orange pineapple. I made sure I got orange pineapple because, like, this is really high in vitamin C. And right now I feel like I need some vitamin C. So I ordered orange pineapple. And I'm just gonna drink this. That way I can get my vitamins up. And but yeah, I liked my haul. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again soon on my Son Different. Bye-bye.